Chuck here. For now, I'm over there. It is I, Chuck, the Chuckwalla, reporting from the Cook Museum. Today, we will look at my neighbors and what they are doing. These crazy guys are always goofing around. It's either they're playing tag or they're fighting. But in this case, they're doing neither. Heh, that silly little guy is stuck. Oop, never mind. These guys also like to battle over the rock. It's fun to watch. But despite all this fighting, they try to help each other. At least they try. Aw man, the party's over. Oh well, it was fun playing with you guys. Later, neighbors.